In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a GoDaddy domain ownership in just 5 minutes. If you found yourself in need of transferring your domain to a new owner, rest assured, this process is straightforward and quick. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to open the internet browser of your choice and navigate to Google. From there, type in GoDaddy and hit enter. You should see GoDaddy's website pop up as one of the top search results. Click that link to head on over to their site. This is where we will manage the domain transfer. Once you're on GoDaddy's homepage, take a moment to locate the Sign In button, typically found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on Sign In and enter your account credentials to access your account. If you've forgotten your login details, GoDaddy offers assistance in retrieving them, so don't panic. After logging in, you'll be directed to your account's dashboard. Look for the section labeled Domain Portfolio. This is where all domains linked to your account are managed. Click on this section, and if prompted, go ahead and sign in again to ensure you have access to all domain management features. In the Domain Portfolio, you'll see a list of all domains currently associated with your GoDaddy account. Carefully identify the specific domain you wish to transfer. This step is crucial to ensure you're transferring the correct domain, so take a moment to verify your choice. Once you're certain, click on the domain name to select it. Now, look for the option that says Transfer to another GoDaddy account. Go ahead and select this. A form will appear requesting details of the person to whom you are transferring the domain. You'll need to provide the new owner's email address. There's also an optional field for their customer number. Keep in mind, if you choose to add the customer number, the provided email address must match the email address associated with that customer number. Double-check these details to avoid any transfer hiccups. The next decision you'll make is whether or not to copy the current contact information to the new account holder. Consider the implications of sharing this information and make your selection accordingly. Once you've made your choices, find and select the Send Transfer Request button to initiate the transfer process. And there you have it. The request will be processed, and the new owner will receive an email to accept the transfer. Throughout the process, ensure to keep an eye on your inbox in case GoDaddy needs you to confirm or verify any information. We hope this guide was helpful and sets you on the right path to transferring that domain without any hassle. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, be sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.